I just got back from Aruba, which is my new favorite place, and I need to tell my fellow babies about it. We stayed at the Ritz Carlton Aruba, which was tray fancy. They gave me this toy at check-in. Obsessed. Mom and Dad got champagne, and they loved it more than I loved Miss Rachel. We immediately went to the beach, which was iconic. They just don't make sand like this in Jersey. The ocean here was smoother than a baby. My bottom. The next day, I was so excited to go back to the beach, I tried to make a run for it during breakfast. Dad caught up to me. He made up for it though and took me to the pool where I splashed and played like a little fishy fish. I threw an absolute fit when my parents said it was time to get out of the water. As a consolation, I convinced them to let me sit on this tiny throne and eat some snackies. Aruba me is the best me. That's my affirmation for the day. Babies, repeat after me. Aruba me is the best me. Tell your parents. The second half of the trip was filled with adventure. We went to Baby Beach because duh, I'm a baby. This place was tight. After that, we needed a dose of culture, so we toured the San Nicolas art murals. There were butterflies and lizards. It was lit. Then we went to the Aruba Butterfly Farm. I lost my mind when I saw all of these tiny and very hungry caterpillars that had turned into butterflies. 10 out of 10 recommend. We ended our trip on 2 epic beaches. Hunto, which had these really cool mangrove-filled coves, but we saved the best for last. The best beach in the Caribbean, Eagle Beach. She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. But now I'm back in Jersey and I can't stop thinking about this trip. I think Aruba just has that effect. The Aruba effect.